How to add Home Depot card to Wallet app. First, open the Wallet app, then look for the plus button in the top right corner of the Wallet app and tap on it. Choose the option to add a credit or debit card. You will have the option to either enter your Home Depot card details manually or use your iPhone's camera to scan the card. If you choose to enter the details manually, input your Home Depot card number and expiration date and security code. Follow the prompts to verify your Home Depot card. This may involve receiving a verification code via text message. You can organize your cards in Apple Wallet by dragging and dropping them into desired order. Your Home Depot card is now ready to use in Apple Wallet for purchases at Home Depot or wherever Apple Pay is accepted. Thanks for watching.